Hi, this is Antenna Reed, and I'm your Korean tutor, Helena. Do you know how to write in Korean? Then how do you write it? With a pen? Alright, that's a good idea. But today, I would like to recommend how to type in Korean. The reason is, if you type Korean, you can easily get feedback. For example, if you wanna check out your right spelling or grammar, then you can get it from the translator. Or just directly, you can search the vocabulary on the Google or Naver. Alright? Then let's check this out. So like 방탄소녀단, 방탄소녀단. Like this, if I type 방탄소녀단, you can see 방탄소년단 here, right? And then what about the other? 먹방. Do you call this 먹방? What is it? 먹방, 먹방이? No, it's not. 먹 something. Then you can see 먹방 here, okay? So 먹방 means what you are searching for. Like this, alright? Yeah. So it means if you practice typing in Korean, you will have many Korean teachers at a time. And of course, these days you can use smartphone, but in the future, you may want to write long text in Korean. No? Anyway, if you are my student, I will give you many writing homework. Okay. Alright, so now let's find out how to practice Korean typing with me. Let's go. So let's just search Korean typing practice. Korean typing practice. Okay. Click. Then you will see the Korean typing practice. So for example, this one. So how do I do this? Easy. You can type 불리다, enter, space. But as a beginner, it will be very difficult for you, right? So I will recommend another very good Korean typing site. Alright, let's go back. Here's the next thing, Fluet. If you click this website, then here is the tips and tools for typing practice. And then I'll show you type eraser, Tadaktadak. Alright, I got you. Tadak. Okay, so here, very easy. So you can see the typing, how to type with your finger like this, and this, this. Yeah, very weird. So it was 기본 자리, and then there are the other. 왼손 윗글쇠. Like this, if you master these parts, then this is 영어, English, so we don't need to practice. 낱말 연습. Okay, let's go. 우리 낱말, 한글 낱말. What's different? But I like 한글 낱말. Okay. 기구. Sorry. 구름. 호남. And then here is 문장, sentence. 우리 문장. 많이 힘들지? 네. 걱정 마. 내가 도와줄게. Okay, so if you get confident here, then maybe you can go back to the former website and you can practice. So what do you do now? Add your bookmark here, like page 추가, yeah, 타닥타닥 저장, like this. Alright? Alright. So, if you are ready, please leave a Korean comment on this video. I'll wait for you. And then, see you next week. Bye bye! Tadak. Where is it? Tadak. I saw you before. Please